Welcome to Irrational Maths Academy. In this video, we'll be solving linear equation in two variables. Let's start. So here, what is the given question? Solve the following pair of linear equation by substitution method. When the method is specified, then we need to use that specific method. Okay, if there is no specification of any method, then we can use elimination method or substitution method. But here substitution is mentioned, so we'll use only substitution method. And see here, let me write down the question. 2x minus 3y equal to 19 and 3x minus 2y equal to 21. Let us take this as equation 1 and this as equation 2. Now what I'll do is, I'll take one of the equation, not both the equations. I'll take one of the equation and I'll write in terms of either x or y. Clear? So what I'll do, I'll take the first equation and I'll write in terms of x. So 2x minus 3y equal to 19 is the right. So 2x equal to 19 minus 3y is the right. If I take to the side, what happens? Plus 3y. And x. Okay. X, what will you get? X equal to 19 plus 3y by 2. Is this clear? This is our first equation only. Only thing I did is I wrote in terms of x. Now what I'll do is I'll take this equation 1 and I'll substitute in equation 2. Okay. Equation 1 substitute in equation 2. So never do one thing is you are converting equation 1 in terms of x and y and substituting the same equation in equation 1, then you will never get the answer. Okay, take any one of the equation and convert in terms of x or y and substitute in the another equation. So what I am doing here, equation 1 I converted in terms of x and now I am substituting equation 1 in equation 2. So wherever there is x, I'll substitute this value 3 into x. X means what I'll substitute here, 19 plus 3y by 2 minus 2y equal to 21. Now here in this denominator is 2, right? So what I'll do is either have to simplify this way, it becomes complex. Instead what I'll do is I'll multiply this whole part with 2. I'll multiply this whole part with 2. If I multiply this whole part with the 2, 19 3y minus 2y equal to 21. So if you look at here, if I multiply here, 2 gets cancelled. Okay, so I'll be left with what? 3 into 19 plus 3y minus 2 into 2y 4y equal to 42. Clear? So next I'll multiply with this and simplify this one. So what I'll get here, 19 into 3, what I'll get here, 9 3s are 27, 3 1s are 3, 4 5, 57. So 57 plus 3 into 3, 9y minus 4y equal to 42. 57 plus 57 plus 9y and minus 4y, you will get a plus 5y equal to 42. 5y equal to 42 minus 57. So what I'll get here, minus I'll get here 5 and 1, 15 I'll get. 42 minus 57, what I'll get here, 15. Let me check here, 4 plus 1 5, 2 plus 5 7. Okay, so 5y equal to minus 15, y equal to minus 15 by 5. 5 1s are 5 3s are. So I got what? Y value. I got what? y value. Now substitute in either equation 1 or equation 2, get the answer. But what I'll do, I'll substitute in equation 1. So x equal to 19 plus 3 into y, I got minus 3 upon 2. So x equal to 19 minus 9 by 2. X equal to 19 minus 9, 10 by 2 equal to 5. So x value equal to 5. That is what I need. And by which method I solved this one? By substitution method. Okay, equation 1 I substituted in equation 2 and I got the answer. Is this clear? Next. Second question, solve the pair of linear equation by elimination method. Okay, one of the easiest method. Elimination is one of the easiest method. Same thing, what I'll do is, let me write down the equations here. So 2x plus 3y equal to 8, and the next x plus 2y equal to 5. So now what I need to do is, I need to use elimination method. Either I can eliminate x or I can eliminate y. Okay, any one variable you need to eliminate. Is this clear? So what I'll do is, I will eliminate x. So this is my equation 1 and this is my equation 2. So let me write down 2x plus 3y equal to 8. Equation 2 I'll multiply with 2. Okay. 2x plus 4y equal to 10. Now multiply with minus. Here you'll get minus. Here also you'll get minus. Here you'll get minus. Multiply this last equation with the minus. Now if you look at here, 2x minus 2x, 2x minus 2x is 0. 3y minus 4y, you will get what? 1y or minus y equal to 8. 8 minus 10, you will get what? Minus 2. So minus y equal to minus 2, y equal to 2. I got right. Now what I'll do is, I'll substitute in any one of this equation, either in equation 1 or equation 2. So let me substitute in equation 2. X plus 2 into y is what? 2 equal to 5. X plus 4 equal to 5. X equal to 5 minus 4. X equal to 1. Is this clear? So I solved this by elimination method. As I told you, elimination is one of the easiest method. Substitution is also easiest only. Okay, but you need to take proper in terms of x or y. Next, for what value of m, okay, the following equation will have no solution. First thing is, need to know for which pair of linear equations you don't have solutions. Let me write down the equations once again. Mx plus 4y equal to 10, 9x plus 12y equal to 30. So for which pair of linear equations we know have no solution? For parallel lines. If these are two parallel lines, what is the condition? A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2, which is not equal to C1 by C2 for linear pair of equations. We have no solution for parallel lines. For parallel lines, we have no solution. So this is the condition we are supposed to use to find out the m value. Unique solution, if they say A1 by A2 not equal to B1 by B2, and if they say many solutions or infinite solutions, in that case which coincident lines, that is A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 equal to C1 by C2. But in our case, no solution, so we'll use this condition. So from here, what is A1 value? Let me write down. A1 value is what? M, and B1 value is equal to 4, and C1 value equal to minus 10. Let me write down in the standard form. And okay, next, A2 equal to 9, B2 equal to 12, and C2 equal to minus 13. So many of you are getting why I wrote C1 equal to minus 10. So if you write this in the standard form, what happens? Mx, okay, mx plus 4y minus 10 equal to 0, 9x plus 12y minus 30 equal to 0. This is a standard form from where I am comparing this. Is this clear? Okay. Now what I'll do? I'll substitute the values. M upon A2 is what? 9 equal to 4 upon B2 is what? 12, which is not equal to minus 10 upon minus 30. So these two will compare and from there we'll get the value. So M by 9 equal to 4 1s are 4 3s are 4 1s are 4 3s are. So if I cross multiply, what I'll get here? 3 into M and 1 into 9. But what I need M value. 1 into 9 upon 3. 3 1s are 3 3s are. So M value equal to 3. That is what we need. Is this clear? I hope is it clear. And if you are still having problem in understanding this, you can comment in the comment section. So I'll try to make things easy. Clear? Next, solve this one. Here, you can, if you look at here, there is no specific method. Here, no specific method, whether we need to use elimination or whether we need to use substitution. There is. So we can use of our choice. If it is 2 marks or 4 marks also, we'll use of our choice when no specific method is mentioned. Let me write down the equation. 2x plus y equal to 5 and 5x plus 3y equal to 11. So this is my equation 1 and this is my equation 2. In the last case, I eliminated x, right? Now in this case, I'll eliminate y. So for that, what I'll do is, I'll multiply equation 1 with 3. I'll multiply this equation 1 with 3. So what I'll get here? 6x plus 3y equal to 15. See, you can eliminate either x or y. It is your choice. Okay. 5x plus 3y equal to 11. So I'll multiply this equation with minus sign, whole equation, minus, minus and minus. See, here it is already plus, right? If I multiply with minus, minus into plus minus, minus into plus minus, minus into plus minus, that is what I'll get here. 6x minus 5x, I'll get 1x, and plus 3x and minus 3x, you'll get 0. 15 minus 11, you'll get 4. Okay, what I got x value. Now what I'll do is I'll substitute in either equation 1 or equation 2. It's my choice. So I'll substitute in equation 1. So 2 into x value is what? 4 plus y equal to 5. So 8 plus y equal to 5. Y equal to 5 minus 8. Y equal to minus 3. So I got the x and y values by elimination method I used here, because no specific method was elimination. Elimination method was used because there is no method mentioned in this question. So I hope we are done with 4 questions, and if you still have problem, let me know in the comment section. Thank you and all the best.